Hello, Sudoku friends. Second Sudoku, English additional, and not of Sunday because today is Sunday, and Sunday we don't receive any newspaper. No, it's the yesterday's newspaper of Saturday. Yes, Saturday, August the 21st, 2021. We have two Sudokus or puzzles left. Sudoku with 2 stars and a tectonic with 1 star. First, we will solve this baby, and this one will be number 3280. All right. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Let me do this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. Yes, correct. 26 printed digits. Correct me if I'm wrong. All right. So let's get started. Let me see. How about the 2 in the first column, the 2 in the third column? So the column between the second column, the only place for the 2 should be there. 2 in this row, 2 in the row below. So the last row, the only place for the 2 should be there. And now I cannot continue with the 2. How about a 7 in the third column, 7 in the second column? So the first column, the only place for the 7 should be there. And then the 9 in this row, the 9 in the row above. So in that row, the only place for the 9 should be there. 3 missing numbers in this row. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We see an 8 in this big square, so no 8 in this box. Here an 8 in this column, so no 8 in that box. So 1 box left for the 8 should be there. 2 numbers left in this row for the numbers. 1 is missing, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and the 7 is missing. 1 and the 7 in this row. We see here 1, no 1 there, 1 should be here, and the 7 goes there. All right. 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 7 and the 5. We have a 7 and a 5 in the last row. So no 7 and a 5 in these 2 boxes. The 7 and the 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 7 and the 5. Let me mark those 2 boxes. So what are the other 2 numbers in this big square for the numbers? 1, 2, 3. The 4 is missing. 5. And the 6 is missing. 4 and the 6. We see here 6. No 6 there. 6 should be here. And the 4 goes there. All right. 2 numbers left in the last row. The 1 is missing. 2. And the 3 is missing. The 1 and 3. We see here 3. No 3 there. 3 should be here. And the 1 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square. 1, 2, 3. The 4 is missing. 5, 6, 7, and 8 is missing. 4 and the 8. Cannot fill this yet. Need to mark those. Alright. Then. How about these 3 missing numbers in this big square? Those missing numbers are the numbers 1 is missing, 2, the 3 is missing, 4, 5, and the 6 is missing. 1, 3, 6, 1, 3, 6, and look, we have a 3 and a 6 in this column, so no 3 and a 6 in this box. The 3 and the 6 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair, 6 and a 3. So 1 digit left in this big square for the number 1. So we have a 1 in this column, 1 in the last column. So the column between, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there, 1 should be there. Alright. 4 6 in the no. We already have a 6. 6. Then. 4 and 8. 1. Okay. 2, 8 in the last column. 8 in the column next. So in that column, the only place for the 8 should be there. 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 9 and the 5. We have a 9 and a 5 in this column, so no 9 and a 5 in these 2 boxes. The 9 and the 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 9 and a 5, 9 and a 5. We see here 5. No 5 there. 5 should be here. And the 9 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square. 1, 2, 3. The 4 is missing. 5, 6, and the 7. 7 and the 4. We see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Alright. 2 missing numbers in the first column. 4 and 8. 4 and 8. And look, we have a 4 there. No 4 there. 4 should be here. And the 8 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for the number 8. Alright. So we have an 8 in this row, 8 in that row, so the row between the middle row, the only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. We see there an 8, no 8 there, 8 should be there. Okay. Yeah. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers in this big square are the numbers 1 is missing, 2. The 3 is missing. And the 4 is missing. 1, 3, 4. 1, 3, 4. And look, we have a 1 and a 3 in this row, the middle row. So no 1 and a 3 in this box. The 1 and 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and 3, let me mark those 2 boxes. So 1 digit left in this big square for the number 4. Alright. 1 number left in the middle row. 1, 2, 3, 4. The 5 is missing. Alright. Now we have a 5 here. So this box is going to be 5 anymore. That box should be a 5. And this box should be a 7. So we have a 7 in this column, 7 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there, 7 should be there. 7 in the first row, 7 in the second row. So in the third row, the only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there, 7 should be there. And all the 7s are used. I can see. Digit number 1, number 7. Alright. Then. 2 missing letters in this column for the numbers 1. The 2 is missing. 3, 4. And the 5 is missing. 2 and the 5. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 2 and the 5. Okay. Then. Okay. 6 and the 3. 1, 3, and the 4. Interesting. 8, 8. 8. Yeah. Yeah. Six. How about nine? Nine. Yeah. 139 should be here, and 2 should be there. One. I'm thinking. 1, 7. Yeah. 2, 3. No. 3, 4, 6. 3, 4, 6. 3, 4, 6. No. I think I need to put some numbers. Alright, 6 in this column, 6 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places for the 6. Could be there. 9 in this column, 9 in the first column. So the column between, the only 3 places for the 9 should be here, or there. Yeah, we have a 9 there, so no 9 there. So the 9 could be here, could be there. Well, we have a 3 in this first column, 3 in the third column. So the column between, only place for the 3 should be there. 1 box left in this big square for the number 1. Overlooked this 3. Okay, so we have a 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there, 1 should be there. 1 in the first column, 1 in the third column. So the column between the second column, the only 3 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there. Here 1, no 1 there. The only place for the 1 should be there. And all the 1s are used. I can see digit number 2, number 1. 2 numbers left in the second column for the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. The 8 and the 9 are missing. We see here an 8. No 8 there. 8 should be here and the 9 goes there. So we have now the 8 in the third row, the 8 in the second row. So the first row, the only 3 places for the 8 should be here or there. We see there an 8, no 8 there. Here an 8, no 8 there. The only place for the 8 should be there. And all the 8s are used. I can see. Digit number 3, number 8. 2 numbers left in this row for the numbers 1, 2. The 3 is missing and the 4 is missing. 3 and the 4. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here and the 4 goes there. 3 in this column, 3 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there. 3 should be there. 3 in the third row, 3 in the second row. So the first row, the only place for the 3 should be there. Now we have a 3 there. So this box is going to be 3 anymore. That box should be a 3. And this box should be a 6. And all the 3s are used. I can see. This is number 4, number 3. 1 box left in the last column for the number 4. Yes, 4 is missing. 1 box left in this big square. Here we have a 2 and a 5. 1, the 2, 2, 3, 4, 5. The 6 is missing. Alright, 6 is missing. 2 missing numbers in this big square. 1, the 2 is missing. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and a 9. 2 and a 9. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 9 goes there. So we have a 2 in this column, 2 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. We see there 2, no 2 there, 2 should be there. Now we have a 2 there, so this box is going to be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2, and this box should be a 5. 1 box left in this column. 1, 2, 3, 4. The 5 is missing, alright. So we have a 5 in this first row, 5 in the third row. So in the row between, the only place for the 5 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square. 1, 2, 3, the 4 is missing, 5, and the 6 is missing. 4 and the 6, we see here 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 4 goes there. I've marked those 2 boxes for the 6. Now we have a 6 there. So this box can't be 6 anymore. That box should be a 6. And the final 2 numbers of this big square, 1, 2, 3. The 4 is missing, 5, 6, 7, 8, and the 9. 4 and the 9. We see here 4, no 4 there, 4 should be here. And the 9 goes there. Finish in 16 minutes. Alright, great Sudoku. I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. And this puzzle for 2 stars. Yeah, for 2 stars I need 15 to 20 minutes. So I'm pleased with the time. Alright, 16 minutes. Again, thank you for watching. And I will see you in a few seconds with the third and last puzzle of today. Yes, a tectonic with 1 star it will be. See you then. Bye bye for now.